Are you ready to supercharge your productivity? Introducing Office 2024 Home and Amp, Business for Mac, the ultimate suite for efficiency and creativity. Office 2024 is a powerful productivity suite designed specifically for Mac users. It includes 5 essential applications: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote. First, enjoy seamless integration with innovative AI features that streamline your workflow. Secondly, create stunning presentations with PowerPoint's new Cameo feature, allowing real-time video integration. Lastly, elevate your email experience with Outlook's enhanced search system for quick results. Getting started is simple. Purchase your license from Mr. Keyshop for a guaranteed genuine product. You'll receive immediate delivery and access to secure payment options. The Office suite is versatile. Use Word for documents, Excel for data analysis, and OneNote for collaborative note-taking. PowerPoint allows for dynamic presentations, while Outlook manages all your communication needs. But don't just take our word for it. Join over 350,000 satisfied customers who trust Mr. Keyshop for their software needs. Enjoy 24/7 support and a money-back guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Remember, with Office 2024, you'll receive your official product key, complete setup instructions, and access to continuous support. Experience seamless activation with just a few clicks. Log into your Microsoft account, input your product key, and start using the apps immediately. To summarize, Office 2024 Home and Amp, Business for Mac empowers you to work smarter, create better, and collaborate effectively. What are you waiting for? Visit Mr. Keyshop today to get your genuine Office 2024 Home and Amp, Business for Mac at an unbeatable price. Your productivity journey starts now.